Have you ever uploaded a video, waited eagerly, and then nothing? No views, no clicks, no recommendations. It feels like YouTube is ignoring you. But here's the truth. The algorithm is not against you. It's simply watching your viewers. And today, I'll show you why it doesn't recommend your videos and exactly how you can fix it. Most beginners think YouTube is a lottery. Post enough videos and one will go viral, right? Wrong. YouTube doesn't push videos just because you posted them. It tests them. It shows your video to a few people and studies how they react. If they scroll past your thumbnail, if they don't click, the algorithm decides your video isn't worth recommending. There are two main reasons your videos aren't being recommended. Reason number one, click-through rate. Your title and thumbnail don't make people curious enough to click. Reason number two, watch time and retention. People click your video, but they don't stay. And if people leave early, YouTube learns your content doesn't hold attention. Think about it. You spend hours editing, you upload, you even pray for views, and then silence. The truth is, YouTube is brutally honest. If viewers don't stay, your video won't grow. But here's the good news. Once you understand how to make people click and stay, YouTube will push your content, even if you're just starting out. So, what's the fix? 1. Craft titles that spark curiosity, not just describe. 2. Create thumbnails that are simple, bold, and emotional. 3. Hook your viewers in the first 15 seconds. 4. Cut out the fluff. Every second matters. 5. Drive engagement. Comments, likes, shares, because the algorithm loves signals that your content matters. So if your videos aren't being recommended, it's not failure, it's feedback. YouTube is showing you exactly what to improve. Fix your titles, fix your thumbnails, focus on retention. And soon, instead of asking why your videos are ignored, you'll be wondering how you suddenly started gaining traction.